Greetings. In this video I'm going to help you remove paint off of any flat screen TV. It doesn't matter if it's due to vandalism or if you had paint that fell off of the ceiling or the wall onto your TV by accident. No worries, this is actually an easy fix. The key is to get the paint off without removing the shine, the protective shine that's on the TV. And what we're going to use, the only thing that you need is rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol. Now this is 91%, but it doesn't matter if you have 50%, and I'll tell you why. Cotton balls to dry, and then if you can have access to a microfiber cloth, that's best. You could just use cotton balls for both the drying and the wetting, or the cleaning rather, but if you have microfiber, that's good too. You can get that at Ace Hardware or Lowe's. Alright, so what you want is a combination of half water and half rubbing alcohol. So this is almost 100%. So I want to do half of this and half water. If you only have 50% or 60% isopropyl alcohol, then just do that. Just do the rubbing alcohol if it's 50% concentrated. You basically get the picture. You're doing half and half. So I got half water here, and then I'm going to do half rubbing alcohol, and we're going to mix it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this particular paint right here, and I want to use my microfiber cloth, and I'm going to go in a circular motion. Now the key is you want to remove the paint without the rubbing alcohol staying on the TV screen too long, because if you do, that'll also eat through your protective shine on the TV. So the key is don't let that alcohol sit too long on your screen. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll go into a circular motion. Let's get our microfiber cloth here. Just go in a round circular motion. You might have to put a little bit of strength. Comes off really nice. Now immediately get the cotton ball and dry that alcohol off of your TV. Make sure you get it all off. I don't care if you have to use 4 or 5 cotton balls. You don't want the alcohol to sit on your TV screen. So that's the second one. Let's do a third one. Now, if you don't have cotton balls, you can use tissue, facial tissue, but do not use paper towels because that's too coarse on your TV. So just keep that in mind. Now you can use like a hair dryer, but make sure it's not on heat. Make sure it's on cool. So do like medium cool to dry it as well. So you can put the rubbing alcohol and then cool it with a hair dryer. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I do appreciate it. Alright, thanks.